Good day, divergence traders. I first want to apologize. I didn't do my video today at around 10:45 like I usually do. Had a lot of things going. Had places to go, people to see. Yeah, I had stuff to do, so this is why I wasn't here at that time, which is somewhere around right here. Okay, but it's still there. We can still analyze it. Okay, let's get to it. This is the NASDAQ 5 minute. If you look at the top of the chart, you'll see it. Okay. There was a trade here to sell. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, just by the skin of our chinny chin chin, we had a trade. Okay, let me open this up. There. Oh yeah, it's still running. it's going to be open for another 27 minutes. Okay. So anyway, the trade was basically from here to here. I think it was there. Yeah, right there and right there. Yeah. Come on, stick there, you little bugger. Okay. So, I know this is hard to find and see, but you had lots of time. Even after the spike, you could have drew it on the chart. Like I told you, you first draw it on the chart, then on the indicator of choice. My choice is OSMA. OSMA is the best to find the divergence, ladies and gentlemen. So the entry point would be somewhere in here, okay? So I would have got in like just underneath the support of these wicks. I would have sold it. So if we got in right there, I don't think we hit this. It's 56 pips. Stop. We didn't have to probably put it that much. You know, probably right here would have been good to do it. So 40 pips, let's say. I don't think we got 40 pips here. 38. 39.42. Okay, we were missing 0.6 of a point. But still, it was a nice boom, boom, boom. Out go the lights, right? So, you could have, should have. Oh, shit. I apologize. I don't talk, and then I start doing the video, and I just start going piak, piak, piak. Start yapping. Piak, piak, piak means, you know, like yap, yap, yap. We call it piak, piak, piak is French for the same thing. Okay, I don't know. I probably no Frenchman here except for me. Anyway, you would have got some pips out of this sucker. That's all I was trying to tell you. You had 3 bearish candles with wicks, with pullbacks. You would have made some points. Now here we had a low and a lower low, but this low needs to be less than this side. See? So there was no divergence to buy it here, even though it went all the way up. But luckily, we had one of these right here. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. Okay? Then, now see this low is lower than this low. There was no trade here either. But there was a trade. Let me show you. So it's right from here, right to there. That little pullback, which gave us our trade setup, okay? You draw it to there, and then on the indicator of choice, which is the OSMA, you draw it from here right up somewhere in there, okay? So we did have a trade, ladies and gentlemen. We did. See what I bought long right in there? And it went up 74, 76 points, okay? And that's about it on the NASDAQ. I'm sure if I went slumming on the M1, the 1 minute chart, oh, I could find all kinds of trades there. But I'm not going to do that. 5 minutes is good enough, low enough. I only go there if I can't find nothing on the 5. So let's look at the S and the P. Did it have that same trade? I don't think so. No, see? No, we never had that same trade. We never had no divergence either here to buy it. We only had divergence from here to here. Or here. No, right there. It's still angled down, right? So that means, yes, indeed, it is divergent right to there. See, right here, yeah, and right here, yeah. And you would have got long right in here with zero drawdown, ladies and gentlemen, zero. And it went up this 18 points. This is the the S and the P. It's a beautiful thing. Look at that. And of course we had, if you missed this entry, could have got in on this one. Check it out, man. Right here. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. And there's another one here. Come on. Come on now. I think it's a hookup. Oh, you're going to start yawning. Yeah, it was a hookup right here. You would have got in and up it went. Okay? Okay. That's good enough for this chart, eh? Oh, yeah. Well, also, before I go into the next chart here, I just want to, apologize again for those of you who listened to me in the last, couple of days videos. I'm telling you some like negative things like, this game ain't easy and you need a team to do it and whatever, All I can say is in the future, if it doesn't work out for you, yourself, and you, remember that I told you this, okay? And, you can make a decision yourself, like, do I want to keep doing this and, like, throwing money away? Or do I want to let it go and maybe find some other kind of business to do? I don't know. But I'm just telling you, it ain't easy to make money doing this for some reason. And I know of lots of people who, it doesn't matter what they do a trade, they lose. They do another one, they lose. Another one, and it just keeps happening. And I don't know what it is. It's like a weird phenomenon. That's all I can say. It's very strange, very weird. Yeah, okay. That's all I wanted to say. So good luck and good trading. That's all I can say. No, it's not the end of the video yet. Okay, we have the spike up here, whatever the hell that was. There was some flipping news here today. Should have seen gold, man. It went up 110 pips or points or whatever. And like, I don't know, I think it was in like 3 minutes. I don't know, we'll take a look at it anyway. Anyway, there's no trade up here that I can see to sell for it to come all the way down. This is the US 30. How many freaking points did it go down? 330? Didn't it go up yesterday? Or did it go down? Oh, it went down and up. The big V reversal, as Nutty calls them. Nutty Bar, if you know him, in his stream. Yeah. He doesn't like those V reversals. Oh, shit. They're okay if there's divergence on them, right? Okay, there's no trade up here, but look right here. Low and lower low, right? And this one. You would have got long right in here. Yep. You would have got long right in there. Your stop at the swing low, it would have been like 48 points. There's 66 points. There's 109 to the top. Okay. And there was a whole bunch of higher close, sell it, down it goes in here. You can see them. See them? One right there, right there, right there. You know, right there, right there. You know what's really funny? We're looking for these higher close candles so we can sell them the close of them. And other people, they're looking for these higher close candles because they want to buy it. So what happens to them? They fucking lose, man. They think, oh, bullish candle, oh, it's gonna keep going up, and they sell and they lose. Oh, bullish candle, it's gonna go up. No, and they buy and they lose. Yeah, buy and lose, buy and lose, buy and lose. Yeah, and over here they're looking to sell. Oh, look, it's gone up here now. Look, 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 look. I'm gonna sell now. Look, look. 2 red candles. Let's sell. Here's another one. Oh, look at this big candle. It says sell, sell. Yeah, and it goes up and they lose. That's why this game is so crazy. You gotta be buying at the right time and selling at the right time. If you're not doing that at the right time, oh my goodness, not good, not good. Not fucking good, man. Not good. Oh, look what we have up here. We even have another little trade up here. Look at this right here. High and higher high. Right? And right here. See that? Yep. And you would have sold, I think, on the opening of this candle or a little bit low, just below that wick right there I'm pointing at. Would have sold it there, and yeah. Stop would have been at the swing high, 36 pips or points or whatever. There's 58 points. So you would have got your 1-to-1 win-loss ratio. Maybe even 2-to-1. Excuse me, I got to keep wetting my throat. It keeps drying up here. Otherwise, I can't freaking talk. Okay, let's look at the pound dollar. What did it do today? Oh, yeah. Deep dips. Deep dips right here. Deep dip, deep dip. Dip, dip, dip. Don't forget the chips with the dip. Okay, here's the trade right here with the news. If you had the brass balls to get in. Would have got long? Right there. Oh, I'm doing it backwards. I'm sorry. There's a line already there, so. That's a double bottom if I ever did see one. Okay, and you would have bought right here. Oh, hold on. And right there's the divergence. You would have got long right there, and it zipped up in 5 minutes, 27 points. And then we had a lower close right in here. See, this one was too far away from the 5. This lower close, but this one was beautiful right here. It says, buy it, man. Lower close, next on the candle close, buy it, up it goes. Now this one, see, you can see why I don't want to do these, buy these dips when they close on the other side of the moving averages and below them, and the moving averages crossed. They all have to be in alignment with the moon and the stars, and then the little fairy dust at the end of the trade. Yes. Okay, no trade. Up here? No. Can't look at that shit in hindsight and say that was a trade. There's no effing way. There's no effing way, man. Who would like buy a dip or sell anything or do anything up here after you saw this shit? Look at this. They were printing one of those barcodes right here, and then it zipped up, and then it zipped right back down. There's no way you'd be doing any fucking trade up here. And you got, look, 4 amigos. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Okay? But, of course, you could really do your, analysis or whatever, we'll just draw it right through there like that, you know, and that's divergent day there, okay? We'll put this on here for now, okay? Hold on. So, it is right here. I just drew this trend line in here because I saw it. I don't know. So, here's the divergence so you can see it with the four amigos, okay? Right here, from here to here, here to here, that is divergent. So, yeah, here is the close and break below the trend line. So, actually, that comes over here. Would have got short right here, and look what happened if you did. Remember, this was a counter trend trade at the time. So if we go, well, yeah, we'll just I'll show you. I know I'm right, and I know what's going on with this. So if you tried to do this trade, right? If you go and you look at the 15-minute, what did the 15-minute tell you right over here with the 5 above the 7? It told you, it said, don't do it. Don't sell. Don't sell now. Don't. Because it could still keep going up. You know what I mean? So, if you sold here, well, your stop would have been up here. So let's just say you did it anyway. Your stop would be at the swing high. 10 pips, 10 big pips on the pound. Yeah. Look at that. It looks like it's gone for miles and miles down. It's only went down 11 lousy pips. Oh man, I can't believe how much the pound dollar sucks. And the euro dollar. Well, the euro dollar always sucked. But the pound used to be good. It would move, man. Like slow day, 50 pips on a normal day, 100, and on a super good day, it would move 150 to 180 in one day. And now it moves 11 lousy pips. You see that shit? Oh, God. That's the reason why people probably, they don't want to trade the pound dollar. They don't want to trade the euro dollar because it doesn't go anywhere most of the time. So they go and they trade the NASDAQ and the S&P and the Dow and they get slaughtered because it's just a crazy thing. And they know this too. Who run this game, they know that. They have it in play on purpose. So you go trade it, try to make some freaking money. Yeah, that's a crazy thing. Crazy thing. Okay, let's look at the euro. Yeah, look at all this fucking chop in here. Looks like a trap to the downside, but instead they took it up. Here's a double top right here, but after it crashed down like this, I wouldn't sell it. How much did it go down? 10 minutes. 17 pips. Oh, God. I don't even want to look at this. Let's move on. Okay. This is the pound yen. Excuse me there. Had to do something there. Okay. Wow. Pound yen. You could draw a long divergence from here to here and all the way from here to here. So you did. I don't know. Somewhere in here, all the way over here to there. It's a long divergence, but it's still like negative on the OSMA, positive on the OSMA, negative on the OSMA. Okay, that's a grade A setup. But anyway, if we would have got long, let's say we bought this dip here. 17 pips. Yeah, it only went up. Oh, it went up 40 pips. Took a while, but it went there. Pound yen. And yeah, there's some divergence to sell it here too, but it wouldn't have gone very far. You see it? I'll draw it on here. I'll show it to you. It's like right there, like that. And right there. Yeah, you would have sold it in here, and look, it didn't go anywhere, man. It's like, how far did it go? 11 pips. A magic 11, eh? 11 lousy pips. Oh, God. Okay, market's almost closing. Yeah, another 8 minutes. Okay, Euro yen, probably, oh, yeah. Look at this. You know how many people were buying at the top of these wicks, and it went down and they closed the losing trade? Or how many people were selling at these wicks and it went back up? You know how many people? That's how they sucker people, man. You start right here, you do a trade, and it whipsaws you. And then you do another one, and another one, and another one, thinking, oh my God, is this finally going to go somewhere? And it doesn't go anywhere. It does this shit. This shit right here. Look at that fucking shit. Please excuse my language, but when I see this now, I just get so upset because you know this is on purpose. This is not volume doing this. There's something else doing it. That's all I can say. That's all I can say. Let's see, gold. Do I have that on the right? No, that's my pip snagger. So where's the gold then? It's over here? Yeah, it's over here. Ah, nobody asked for the pip snagger. Oh well, your choice. It really is good. It keeps you out of the chop and keeps you on the right side with the colors of the lines. And yeah, people just loved that system back in 2009, 2010, 2011. I sold like over. I'm sure there was 4,000, 5,000 copies sold worldwide back then. But not me selling that many. All these places that you can go buy it for like 10 bucks or whatever, or 20 bucks. Those guys selling gazillions of copies of it. But anyway, it works, man. But hey, if you don't want it, no problem. But I just want to let you know, if you decide you'd like to get a free copy of Forex Pip Snagger, okay, you got to email me. But don't worry about me, you know, like sending counter offers trying to sell you something. If you think that's what's going to happen, no. I'm not interested in selling anything, you know, selling that to anybody or something else because you sent me a request for it. I don't have your emails in this YouTube thing. They won't let us collect them, even if we wanted to. So the only way I can, you know, contact you, there is no way. It's like you come and watch the stream, and that's it. But anyway, if you'd like a copy, it's free for the taking. It's up to you. Maybe you're happy with the divergence. I don't know, but anyway. Okay, this is gold. See how it went up, man? And like, I don't know, it was like a few minutes it went up there. And then it came back down, and then they smacked it down here. See, right here. Why right there? Why right there? Because the gold was sitting right there. A big, like, 100 bars of gold sitting right there. That's why it came back there. And then they got everybody buying. And then they sold it right off the main pivot of the day, that blue line, that beautiful blue line. People are all, oh God, I can't stop hiccuping, I'm sorry. People buying in here, and then they took it down, and did they take it below where that started? Yeah, right below that wick. They took it down there, and then they chopped them up some more, and then it changed direction a little bit. See that shit? See that? It's done on purpose, man. That's manipulation. Okay, that's gold. So after gold, it's oil. What did oil do today? Oh. Another one of those upside down V reversals. Look at that shit, man. Look at that shit. Crazy. I had to pick up my headset there. It was on the floor. Come on. Okay, so anyway, I'm calling it divergent. Why not? I believe it was. From there to there, okay? It's a long divergence, but it doesn't matter. It's still divergent. So we would have got long right here. This is crude oil, ladies and gentlemen. We would have got long right here. It's almost like a double bottom here, but not quite. Right off the 76. Yeah, look at that. You see how that came and touched the 76, just one little tick below it. And what did they do? They bought it right up there. Is that too close? No, that's not close enough, see? Damn, eh? But still, you could buy the dip. Yeah. You could still buy it right here. Lower close, open, buy it, up it goes. Was there divergence up here? I don't think so. But on the way down, why would we know how to look into why would we over here know why to look for buy trades as it was going up? Well, how would we know? Well, for one, the 7 is above the 5 is above the 7. That's what I look at. Now here the 5 is below the 7. So now over here we're looking for sells. Sell, sell, sell. Higher close. Sell it. Down it goes. Here's another one. Higher close. Sell it. Down it goes. And look, there's a hook down, but you wouldn't want to sell it way down there. You know what I mean? That was scary movement right there with oil. How much was that movement? Oh, it's only 48 ticks. But anyway, there was one more, but I don't know if I'd want to do it after this big candle down. I don't know. But here's a higher close, closing near the 5. See the 5 in there? So if you sold it there, down it goes. Okay? It was valid. It was good. Okay, so I covered, oh, yeah, that's the last one. Holy jeez Louise, it's time to go. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for listening. And if you could be so kind to hit the like button. I hardly got any likes lately. Come on, you got to give a couple of likes. You just got to go one little press of the button. I like it. Okay? And if you haven't subscribed yet, come on. That's only a couple clicks to do that. Okay, so that's it for this week. We'll see you next week on Monday. Good luck and good trading.